So in this video we are going to store data inside database. For that purpose I am using java.util.date. So again I am writing private java.util.date. Okay, so I am using util.date here. Okay, so it's a created date. So I am going to give it name as a created date, and what I do, I am going to add current date, means whatever date and time it should be created, it automatically going to reflect into database. So for that purpose I am using a new date constructor. Okay, so it's a new date constructor. uh, so this constructor also, I think there is one constructor who take date as a long, means long as a parameter. So I am using system dot okay, system dot get current. Okay, sorry, get security, get property here, get current time in millisecond. Okay, so this is current millisecond time I am getting here and storing it inside database. Let's check how it's going to be stored. Okay, so let's check database. This is our table. I am opening it. So yeah, this is created. I am using same API which is created in previous video. So I am just hitting it, and look at this. Date is going to store inside database. Okay, so I am selecting this query, and date is stored in the format of timestamp where contain date as well as time. Okay, so Spring Boot provides some customization uh, in in this date and time API with the help of annotation temporal. Okay, so this is the annotation which is provided. We need to pass temporal type here. If you pass date, only date is going to store inside database. Okay, so I am rerunning it, deleting old table and creating new, and hitting that same API again. So now let's check the database, how date is stored in database. Okay, so date is stored inside database, only date is stored. Okay, so there is another attribute we can check it called time. Okay, and third one is timestamp. So if I am going to create time, it's only stored into the time. Okay, so it's created and I am hitting it once again, and now let's check. We find only created time is there. Okay, and if you use timestamp, which is default implementation of java.util package, java.util.date. Okay, so it's going to store the actual timestamp which is stored by default date constructor, util date constructor. Okay, I am again hitting with the elbow postman, and now let's check the database. We should get date as well as time inside database. Thanks for watching.